Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the EasyToys metal butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the EasyToys metal butt plug itself. Now we would recommend this to advanced users. Now these types of metal butt plugs from the EasyToys anal collection come in a variety of different sizes, shapes and colours. As we can see at the very base here, it's got a beautiful crystal just here which is clear, but it's also available in the colour pink as well. Now this is a stunning polished aluminium plug, and because it's made completely out of aluminium, it's temperature responsive. This means it's cold to the touch but will quickly warm up during use. It provides a unique anal stimulation. Now you can use temperature play in combination with this metal butt plug. For example, you could put this in cold water to enjoy cooler sensations during use, or warm water to enjoy a warmer sensation during use. This butt plug features a pointed tip, a tapered tip for an easier insertion and of course removal, a long slender neck and a wide base so it stays in place correctly as well. Now when using this butt plug, we would highly recommend to use in combination with a lubricant. This can be either a water-based lubricant or a silicone-based lubricant. Please make sure to clean after every use, and for this we highly encourage you to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the EasyToys metal butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.